Hello there. Here are some driving tips for beginners. In fact, I should say driving tips or driving test tips for beginners. Okay, back there we're doing 70 and now there's a sign that suggests that it's gonna be 50. So I have to back off and make sure that by the time I get to this sign, I'll be doing 50. Because if I'm doing 60 and there's an officer around, I'm gonna be stopped. And usually they stop right in the school parking lot. Okay, so again, there's a sign, it says 50. And I'm doing like 46. 48, now I'm 50. Now as you can see, there are double yellow lines, so that means there's no overtaking for me going this way or anyone coming this way. But of course there's nothing to overtake. But the yellow lines, the double yellow lines, suggest that there should be no overtaking in this area. This sign suggests there's a set of traffic lights ahead, so I look ahead and make sure that I see them. As you can see right now, it's red. Now I'm gonna be making a left turn at these lights. Notice the position of that car. Alright, so I'm just gonna stay behind him because I don't want to be too close to the center line. He should be a bit further to the right, and then I'll be able to position myself behind the line. Okay, so cars are approaching me, so I just have to inch up into the intersection and wait until it's safe for me to make the turn. Make sure it's safe to the left, and it's safe, so now I can make my left turn. Okay, now I'm looking for a spot to park. Okay, there are two cars behind me, so I'm not gonna do it right now. I'm just gonna keep driving, and maybe I'll make a left into this street here. Okay, and what I can do is a 3-point turn. This is not a very safe place for that though, but anyway, I'm gonna do it. So I'd signal to the right just to pull over to the right and make a complete stop. Signal to the left, check all around, make sure it's safe. It's close to the road, but that's how I have to do it. Put to reverse, get all the turns to the right, back up and check like crazy. Once I have sufficient room, I stop, put to drive, turn the wheel, and away I go. Now I'm gonna be making a right turn at the stop sign here, so I stop behind the white line, and of course I cannot see anything over there. So I'll keep my signal on and I move out slowly and check for traffic approaching from the left. And it's safe. Nope, it's not. It's a busy road, so I have to make sure it's safe. Okay, safe. This guy's making a left, so I need to find a parking space somewhere here. I'll wait for this guy to come out, then I'll turn in. Okay, hand over hand steering, and then I'll find a parking space somewhere here. Oh man, nowhere to park. Oh, I have to back up. That's the only way I'm gonna find anywhere to park. I have to back up, put my front in here. Okay. Alright. This was the last parking space. So I go right up in there. And that's good enough. Okay. So for this car, the parking brake and the gear selector is in one spot. So all I have to do now is press this button at the side here, this one, and it will actually put the car in park. And also the parking brake goes on automatically. Okay, so next what I'll do, because it was a hot day, it is a hot day and my air conditioning is on, so I'll just turn the air conditioning off just by, first of all, I press the AC, but now the fan is still running, so I usually let the fan run for a couple of seconds so that moisture does not build up in the system, and then I press off. Good. Then I can turn the car off by pressing the start stop button right here. That's it, done. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye for now.